Welcome everybody, these are grammar lessons for year 3 and 4 children, and this is week 9. This video is for lesson 4 and 5. Our learning objective for these lessons is to write a section of an information report. So by the end of the week you will be able to recall the features of an information report. You will have used your research, your plan to help you, and you will have written a section of an information, a non-chronological report. So before we go through the task, I'm just going to recap one last time some of the knowledge that we have learnt this week. So here are the key features of an information report. Pause the video, see if you can remember them all, write them down, and then let's go through them together to see if you have got them all correct. So number 1, headings and subheadings, pictures and diagrams. They will be written in the third person present tense. They will be organised into paragraphs. There will be detailed and factual information, and in an information book you will find a contents page, an index and a glossary. Hopefully by now you have remembered all of those. Hopefully you got them all right. Well done if you did. These are still going to be very important for our work today and tomorrow. So let's go through the task together. Yesterday you completed some research. Now it's possible that you might need to do a little bit more today, and that's okay. You need to work at your own pace. You researched a page for an information book, and today and tomorrow I would like you to complete as many paragraphs as you are able, but definitely at least 3. Now to do this you are going to need to use your research spidergram to help you, because that was where you organised your ideas. And I want you to remember to make sure you have all the features of an information non-chronological report in your writing. That's what we've been practicing all week. You need to make sure that they are there in your own writing. So this might take a little bit of thought before you start. Here are some templates if you need a little bit of help. So they all look slightly different. You could just pick one, the one that you prefer, and it will help you to organise your information. There's space there for you to put a heading and a subheading perhaps. There are text boxes there so that you can organise your paragraphs. There's places for you to put pictures. So they could help you if you're finding it a bit tricky to know how to organise your writing. Choose one of these, and then again use your spidergram, use your research from yesterday, use the pictures that I gave you of the back cover and the contents of each book to help you to put your information down on paper. I've just put these here in this video again for you in case you need them. The back cover and the contents page of Dangerous Animals. The back cover and the contents page of Under the Sea. The back cover and the contents page of Weather. And the back cover and the contents page of the Solar System. So by the end of tomorrow's lesson, you should have written a page of information that could fit within one of these books, and which includes all the features that we have learnt about this week. When you've finished your writing, it would be really good to look back at the focus of this unit of learning and see how we've done. We aimed to improve our report writing skills. We aimed to learn the definition of the word non-chronological and investigate the features of non-chronological reports. I wonder if you could have a look through your writing and decide how well you think you've done. If you've got someone at home you can show your writing to, then I think it would be really good if you could give it to them to have a read through and to help you with any editing that might need doing. Is your example of a non-chronological and information report the best it could be? Does it display all the features that we discussed? Is it written in proper sentences? Is your spelling and your punctuation accurate? Really be strict with yourself and make sure that the piece of writing that you've produced is of an excellent standard. It doesn't have to be long, but it does have to be brilliant. I wish I could read them all, but unfortunately I can't. Maybe one day. I hope you have a lovely weekend and I'll see you next week.